Hi, I'm Diksha, and here I want to talk about that how I wasted my 3 years, three most prime years of my life just after 12th, just because I want to be successful, just because I wanted at that time that I can't just take risk of choosing wrong career. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I used to listen Sandeep Maheshwari. I used to listen Dr. Vivek Bindra. Yeah, so-called motivational speakers. I used to listen um, some instant motivational videos कि पता नहीं आप क्या ही कर दोगे, नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल। आप हाथ से अगर पत्थर को हाथ पे मारोगे, मतलब हाथ पत्थर पे मारोगे तो पत्थर चूर चूर हो जाएगा, और पता नहीं क्या क्या। आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विथ मी एट दैट पॉइंट, बट आई वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर द राइट, आई मीन द बेस्ट करियर फॉर मी. And on the path of choosing the best or choosing the correct career path for me, I choose to listen them entire day. At least 10 to 11 hours, I literally used to watch them. I listen them, and there is no single video where which is not watched by me. Yeah, and in today's time, when I look back, I just I am I a fool? I mean, why I listen to them? When I look back, there is no relevant of their videos, of their thinking, of their thoughts, of their talkings. What are they? Whatever they are talking, there is no relevance in today's time. It's right. It's literally right. And if someone is in my age, like if someone is 14, 15, 16, I will say that instead of listening to the motivational speakers, instead of listening or watching them on YouTube, go and do the work. Even if you are doing the uh, daily work, like a worker, daily wages worker, then it will taught you more than their videos. So don't waste your time on listening to them, watching to them. There is no similarity in the reality. So if you are someone who are watching motivational videos, if you are someone who are watching to Sandeep Maheshwari or Vivek Bindra, Dr. Vivek Bindra, और सो कॉल्ड मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस, मतलब आग लगा देंगे. If you really want to grow in your life, if you really want that you learn the real, the basics of your life, if you really, I mean, I want to say that if there is someone who is 12, 13, 14 years young, I will say, if you are not even listening, or if you are not even using the mobile phone, you can grow insanely. Like, really, human beings need to the work. And if I'm looking back now, then I will say that I was doing it wrong. I wasted my years. I wasted my years and my energy on a mobile phone just by watching them. Know what motivation will work. The only thing which will work for you is you. If you are starting your work from today, you will learn that how to speak to someone, how to communicate, how the world works. When it's come to the work, I mean, when you have to go to the office at 9 and you will come back at 6 or 6:30, you will learn much more than just watching the videos. So stop doing it and go and do the work.